Apple TV Plus quality. Apple TV Plus is known for its high-quality streaming experience, offering premium content with excellent video and audio quality. The platform focuses on original programming, ensuring that its productions meet high cinematic standards. From 4K resolution to Dolby Atmos sound, Apple TV Plus delivers an immersive viewing experience. 4K Ultra HD streaming, Apple TV Plus supports 4K Ultra HD resolution, ensuring crisp and detailed visuals. This high resolution enhances the overall viewing experience, making every scene sharp and realistic. Dolby Vision and HDR10. The platform includes Dolby Vision and HDR10, improving contrast and color accuracy. These features make images more vibrant and lifelike, especially on compatible screens. Dolby Atmos sound. Apple TV Plus offers Dolby Atmos support for an immersive audio experience. This spatial sound technology provides a surround sound effect, enhancing action scenes and dialogue clarity. Consistent streaming quality. Apple optimizes streaming to provide smooth playback with minimal buffering. Even on slower connections, the platform adjusts the resolution dynamically to maintain stability. High production values. Apple TV Plus focuses on original content with premium production quality. Shows and movies are shot using advanced cinematography techniques, ensuring a cinematic experience. Minimal compression artifacts. The service maintains high bit rates, reducing compression artifacts like pixelation and blurriness. This results in a cleaner and more detailed picture compared to some other streaming services. Ad-free experience. Apple TV Plus offers an uninterrupted viewing experience without ads. This allows for better immersion in content without distractions. Device optimization. Apple TV Plus is optimized for Apple devices, providing the best possible quality on iPhones, iPads, Macs, and Apple TVs. However, it also performs well on other supported devices. Apple TV Plus stands out for its commitment to high-quality streaming, both in video and audio. With 4K resolution, Dolby Vision, and Dolby Atmos, it provides a premium viewing experience that competes with the best in the industry.